Here's how to fix lag and stuttering in OBS Studio with the best recording settings. Open OBS, go to File, then Settings, and click Output. Change output mode to Advanced. Set the video encoder to your NVIDIA encoder if you have a decent graphics card, or X264 to use your CPU instead. Set rate control to CBR. Check your upload speed at speedtest.net. If it is over 8 megabits, set your bitrate to 3500 for smooth 1080p, lowering it if your upload speed is lower. Set keyframe interval to 2 and choose your preset, slow for best quality or medium if you experience lag. Go to the Recording tab. Change the file format from MKV to MP4 for universal compatibility. Set the encoder again to NVIDIA or X264, rate control to CBR, bitrate to 15,000, and keyframe interval to 2 seconds. Go to Video and match your resolution to your native monitor resolution, found under Display Settings on your desktop. Set the downscale filter to bicubic and the FPS to 60. Go to Advanced and change Process Priority to Above Normal. Then save your changes. Finally, go to Windows Settings, then System, then Display, then Graphics. Add OBS Studio's executable file. Click Options and set it to High Performance instead of Let Windows Decide. Then save. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.